This product was given to me to give my honest opinion, and let's see what it is. This is a natural enzyme spa and hot tub care liquid. It removes scum lines and eliminates odors, which is very important when you own a pool or like hot tub or anything like that, because the water eventually does stink. And like, just like cleaning your shower, you need to keep the water clean for this as well. This is made in the USA, professional grade formula. Let's see what else. I really like how they have first aid stuff here, just in case if it gets in your eye, skin, if you inhale it, or if it's swallowed, what to do. So that's really good information. All you have to use is 1 ounce of this product for every 500 gallons of water each day until existing scum line is gone. And then use it after that. You just use it weekly, 1 ounce weekly for every 500 gallons. So yeah, I definitely do recommend this. It comes with 16 gallons, and I really like how it comes here with a thing to see how the line of, and you can see the liquid in here, so you can see how much you're putting in, which is very convenient because some people like they just need to eyeball it, and you really don't have to eyeball it. Like, it doesn't take much since it has here a measurement. So yeah, I completely do recommend this for your pool or for your hot tub or